Hey, what's up, everyone? Welcome back to Drive Style, where we bring you the hottest car music to elevate your driving experience. Today, we've got a 2025 bass music mix packed with the best EDM drops, deep bass, and high-energy beats to keep your ride pumping. Whether you're cruising through the city, hitting the highway, or just vibing in your garage, this mix will make your speakers flex. So buckle up, turn up the volume, and let's dive into the ultimate 2025 car bass music experience. We all know that bass music hits differently when you're in a car. There's just something about the way the low frequencies shake the seats, how the beats sync with the streetlights, and the way the drop makes every turn feel cinematic. In 2025, EDM has evolved, bringing in new soundscapes, futuristic synths, and ground-shaking bass lines that push car audio systems to the limit. Producers are getting more creative with their drops, layering deep 808s with powerful sub-bass and crisp highs that make every track an experience. You've got influences from trap, dubstep, and house all blending into one, creating an electrifying atmosphere for bass lovers. And with car audio systems advancing every year, it's the perfect time to unleash these beats on the road. Alright, let's talk about what makes a track truly hit hard. It's not just about cranking up the volume, it's about the perfect mix of sound design, rhythm, and energy. The best EDM bass tracks in 2025 are all about that deep, rolling bass that you don't just hear, you feel it in your chest. From heavy dubstep growls to pulsating house bass lines, each drop is designed to hit you like a shockwave. A lot of today's producers are experimenting with AI-driven sound design, creating bass textures that are more detailed and immersive than ever. Imagine driving down an empty road at night, and suddenly, a drop hits with a massive wall of sound, making everything around you feel like it's vibrating in sync. That's the kind of energy we're bringing to this mix. Let's not forget, the car you drive plays a huge role in how you experience bass music. Whether you've got a fully custom sound system with massive subwoofers or you're rocking a stock setup, the right mix can make all the difference. In 2025, car audio tech has reached new levels, with systems that adapt to your environment, boosting bass without distortion and fine-tuning frequencies for the best listening experience. Brands like Tesla, BMW, and Mercedes are integrating more powerful audio systems, while custom builds are pushing sound pressure levels, SPL, beyond limits. Imagine sitting in a ride where every drop feels like an earthquake but with crystal clear mids and highs, pure audio bliss. If you've ever been to a car meet where bass heads flex their systems, you know the feeling. This mix is crafted for that kind of